Welcome to JH. I recently discovered a supplement called Audizen, which is promoted as a natural remedy for tinnitus and various ear-related problems. The marketing suggests it can minimize ringing, buzzing, or hissing sounds while enhancing your hearing, sleep quality, and mental focus. While these claims sound promising, several significant red flags deserve your attention. To begin with, the product is framed as a total cure for tinnitus, but this is simply inaccurate. Currently, there is no known medical cure for this complex condition, which involves how the brain and nerves interpret sound. A simple pill cannot resolve it. Furthermore, they use the term FDA-registered facility to create a false sense of security. Being manufactured in such a facility does not mean the product is FDA approved. In fact, the FDA does not grant approval to dietary supplements at all, making this a deceptive marketing tactic. Looking at the formula, it contains standard ingredients like ginkgo biloba, vitamin B12, and hibiscus. Although some believe these help, scientific evidence remains inconclusive. For instance, B12 is only effective if you have an existing deficiency. Just because a substance is natural does not guarantee it will work for your specific needs. Another concern is the lack of availability on major platforms like Amazon or Walmart, coupled with a total absence of authentic user testimonials. This lack of transparency in trusted retailers makes it impossible to verify if the product actually works for real people. There is no solid scientific backing for their claims and no credible feedback from actual users. If you are struggling with hearing issues or tinnitus, it is much safer to consult a medical professional or an audiologist rather than trusting unverified promises. Always remain cautious with supplements that offer major results without providing the necessary proof. Just because a product sounds convincing does not mean it will deliver the results you need.